This is the ELVO Solar Light, your opportunity to participate in solar technologies.
I was looking at going into solar. I couldn't really afford the whole on the roof setup that's going to power the whole house, so I wanted a more basic solution, and this is the right product for me. Simple to install and we'll get started. I wanted to help protect the environment, so I'm reducing my footprint. The ELVO kit was a good DIY solution for me, as I'm a bit of a hands-on DIY kind of guy, and it fits the purpose exactly for what I need it for. I only needed lighting in this specific area, so it works well for me. There's only 4 main components. There's the solar panel, which can be mounted on a fence post or a fence, doesn't have to go on the roof. The light, which you put over your work surface. The battery needs to go close by, and then the light switch where you put right next to where you're going to be working. And then you just connect all the cables in between. You don't need a degree in electrical, you don't have to be an electrician, so it's an easy low voltage kit and it's good to install.
ELVO Solar Limited, we believe in quality.